Meaning of Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire is a West African country located on the southern coast of the Atlantic Ocean. The name Côte d'Ivoire literally translates to Ivory Coast in English. This name was chosen due to the country's historical trade in ivory, which brought wealth and prosperity to the region. Today, Côte d'Ivoire is known for its diverse culture, wildlife, and natural resources, including oil, cocoa, and coffee. The country has a population of over 26 million people and boasts a growing economy and political stability in recent years.